What's going on, guys? How you doing today? Mike and I decided to come to the local junkyard, so Kenny Upole, same spot we were last time when I was with Chad. We had to come see if we can get some stuff for the Dakota, so we just grabbed some sun visors and a couple small bolts. I think our buddy Cody DeMo's here somewhere. Seen Jimmy rigged out front. Yeah, we parked over by him there. Yeah. Chad said that caliber's the same, so we'll go back and get it.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, look at that old Accord. You don't see me yet. Too many of those nowadays. It's actually. Damn, the floor hoods are open again. I was saying that last time. I always shut the hoods because everyone leaves them the fuck over. Drive me nuts. Drive me nuts. I don't know if you want a bomb through here. Another K series. Infinity. I think we gotta go back the other way.
I wonder if it's standard. No, probably not.
Probably not. Oh, is there two of them right there? There is two right there.
Oh shit. 3 of them? There's another one right here.
Auto. Nice little car though. If anyone needs parts, that one's newer. Oh, it's a Maxima. Imagine standard like the old guy. Hey, out banging gears, racing everybody. Fuck, it's wet.
At least he's starting to breathe.
Yeah. It's snowing pretty good out here, boys. We thought we got the rest of the storm last night, but I guess we're getting more. Look at Mike. Fuck, she's coming down good, Mike. Can't even see at the end there. Right? See if they got any new Hondas up here. Some CRV stuff maybe, some all-wheel drive stuff. Suzuki right there. This is nearly that. TSX right there, bro. Motor's probably already gone. Oh, she's still there. Caesar salad. No way, bud. Look at that. Caesar salad. That's awesome. I mean, it'd be worth though for the block. Unless it's got a hole in the fucking block. But. Ow. Compressor.
Pretty sure it's turbo.
Yeah. Automatic, Honda-matic. Anyone looking for a K24A2? There's one just sitting here. I love these cars. I've had so many of these. Shut this. I miss my old TSX, Mike. That one's automatic though.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. CRV right here. You can probably leave that right there, Mike. Automatic.
Automatic?
Yeah, diff's still good though. Yeah, it's in there. You guys can see. Drive shaft. She gone. keep going. Let's see what else is here. We already paid to get in, so we might as well check it all out. Right? K-Series. So many K-Series here. It's unreal. Jay? R18 action? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a nice color though.
Possible to work.
T70?
Pink one.
They must have got rid of that Honda Element that was here. Yeah. So the rear diffs for 06, 08 Element's a lot better than the CRV stuff. So 2 liter, 2.5. Looks like they cleared out a lot right here. CRV. Burnt MDX with the J series. That's that good block too. Those are the good blocks. She ain't much good now, but
the block
still be good once you refresh it all.
Knock the heads.
Aluminum head. Yeah, there's a bunch of shit right here. They must have just got rid of them. Damn, she's coming down, eh?
Yeah.
Look at that drag car on her. What up? Seafoam. Oh, the Element's right there. They moved it. Yeah. That's funny though, that TSX seized her salad, but make sure you put your oil in there. You wouldn't want to seize her salad. It's like we're going through a whoop section, eh?
I was gonna say,
Cord. Another cord.
it's all the dress through the car.
Yeah. Took the Prelude. There was a Prelude here. Chad and I were looking at it last time. Is that ours? Oh no, it's right there. The Prelude's right there. Showed this last time.
Wanna go grab the wagon?
Yeah. Yeah, go grab that and I'll meet you. D series. CRV action. See if someone took it yet. All-wheel drive B hanging out. Yeah, Chad and I showed all this last time. Let's cut across, see if we can find something new for you guys. Sun's trying to come out. Another CRV. All-wheel drive action. Automatic, but the diff is good. If you guys see, same diff as the other ones. Just better clutch packs than these. And then like I said to Mike just a couple minutes ago, if you get the Element stuff, that's even better. So it's nice. A4. Standard. Audi A4. Another CRV. Someone already took the trans. That was manual, all-wheel drive. Half shaft. Good for somebody. Alternator. clutch, flywheel. I know, I forgot my shades. I don't got my shades today, so I'm kind of squinting. Sun's trying to come out, boys.
That's so nice now.
Yeah, it's starting to get nicer. Auto probably. Yes, sir. Diff's still here. So for all you guys that want to do budget stuff, CRV diff, once you pin the clutch packs, it's the way to go. There's literally, I think they're 50 bucks. You can get the whole rear diff for. So say a wagon's $1,000. Yes, the wagon's proven, but you could honestly go out and try to kill your race car every single time and not really worry about it. Go back, pin the clutch packs, weld it up, pull the pump, send it. So. Let's go over here and see these ones real quick. Last row of 33. I think they're supposed to extend this too, push this cage back. So. Cord. K-Series stuff. Oh, that's a lot of ice. Odysseys. So yeah, we'll have to go pull that caliper off for Chad and then we can peace out. MDX right there. CRV, somebody took the rear axle. Nice rim though. Oh no, the axle's still there. They were gonna start taking it apart. Must have got stuck. Nice black carpet there for somebody. I see someone took the table out of it. K-Series. J-Series MDX. This one's not burnt. K-Series RSX. This one took the valve cover and the cams. K-Series, K-Series, D-Series, J-Series, K-Series, J-Series, K-Series, J-Series, K-Series. Let's see what else we got. K. What's a K? K-Series, J-Series. Like there's so much parts in here, guys. J-Series, J-Series.
What the fuck is this thing?
Chad and I looked at it last time. It's got some crazy intaker. Look at this. Look at the intake. The intake plenum. You could build something off that, even though the runners are so small. It's pretty cool, eh?
What the fuck?
Look at Mike. What? Get ready, excited. K-Series. 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 I'm gonna walk this last row and then I'll meet you out front. Nice blue. So we're gonna have a Mazda 3 kind of like this one for sale too here coming up. Chad's got another one for sale. So if anyone's looking for a good daily for the summer, something cheap on fuel, hit us up. I think it's only a 2-owner, so another CRV here. B series. Auto, but nice rig. Nice cluster. All-wheel drive diff. Still in there. Right? Drive shaft's gone, but motor's still there. Real time. Shed NGKs on them, must be fast. Blue NGKs. Sun's coming out, snow's just beating off everything. Yes, I seen the single. That's a twin, yeah, that's a big boy. Ooh, look at the manifold on it. Some clean, eh? Big runner. Make a drift car. K series. Dirty D. Four-door taggy.
Four-door tag.
Yeah. V6.
Oh, nice B series axle just
Hanging out. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, it stopped snowing out, but we're gonna go back and get the front left caliper for Chad for his Dakota. Buddy's coming to look at it tomorrow. So yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one. So like, subscribe, share. We'll see you on the next one, boys. Peace out. Yeah. MikeBreauFAB. This is our buddy Cody DeMo's truck. Badass. MikeBreauFAB. Sick. Yeah, buddy.
He might work here.
He must work here. Baby.